before we move on, and before I show you how to analyze data and create visualizations like this one, I wanted to give you some preliminary knowledge and kind of set the background about what we are going to be working with, what is a data set, and the different aspects of Dataset and Tableau software. So what exactly is a dataset? A dataset is sometimes called a data source, database, or a data frame, and it contains the data that we use to build visualizations. So all the graphs and dashboards you see in Tableau has a certain data set connected to it. This mock data right here, this mock data is our data set. It's what's called a data set, and sometimes it's called a data frame. And this data right here is responsible for this right here. There are different types of data sets. Some data sets are spreadsheets, which is what I just showed you. And this is basically data stored in a single rows of data. An example would be Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or .csv files. And CSV stands for comma separated values. Data sets also come in relational databases. And a relational database is a database with multiple data tables. You can use SQL to access a relational database, and it's called a relational database because there's a logical connection between data tables. Some more examples of data sets is what's called a cloud data, and this is when organizations store their data in the cloud. And whenever you hear cloud, don't freak out. Cloud just means using other people's computer or server to store your information. An example would be Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure, or even your email, right? Your email messages are stored in the cloud. That just means they are stored in somebody else's computer. So if you're using Gmail, your emails are stored in Google's servers and computers as opposed to your own local computer. And we also have other types of data that you can connect to inside Tableau. And if you're dealing with data sets, most often you will hear what is called metadata. Metadata simply just means information about the data in the data set, like the type of data it is, the column name. So if we go back to our awful graph right here, so email right here is the type of data it is. So the email is the column name, that's considered metadata. The type of data it is text, that's considered metadata. So if we go back here to, let's say, ID, for example, ID is the column name. The type of data it is a number, it's an integer. That's metadata. So basically metadata is data about your data. So if you just remember, metadata is data about your data. What happens after you connect data to Tableau? So when a data is connected in Tableau, Tableau assigns each field as a dimension or a measure. The type of data in the field defines if a field is a string, integer, float, date, or location. So, what exactly is a field, dimension, and measure? We'll find out on the next video.